Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have to admit, I've always been fascinated by those creative doodle videos you see on social media or in marketing campaigns. They're so engaging, right? But the thought of making one myself always seemed daunting. I mean, who has the time or the skills to create something like that from scratch? That's why I was super excited to try out DoodleMaker, a tool that promises to make creating these videos not only possible, but ridiculously easy. Today, I'm here to give you the full scoop on how it works, what it offers, and whether it's worth your time. Let's start with what DoodleMaker actually does. This is an AI-powered video creation software that lets you make whiteboard, glassboard, or blackboard-style doodle videos. What's cool is that you're not limited to just those classic black and white doodles. You can create videos in full color, choose custom backgrounds, and even upload your own images. The flexibility here is pretty impressive. What really stood out to me was how simple the whole process is. There are three main ways you can create videos. First, you can choose from over 300 professional templates. These templates are pre-designed for a variety of industries, and they come with animations, effects, and voiceovers already built in. All you need to do is customize the text, tweak the visuals if you want, and your video is ready to go. It's perfect for anyone who needs something fast and professional. If you're feeling more creative, you can start from scratch. This option lets you paste your text into the platform, and the AI takes over, automatically selecting the right doodle assets and generating a video for you. What's more, you can add a voiceover using the built-in text-to-speech engine, which supports over 60 languages and has more than 160 voice options. Whether you want a friendly, conversational tone or something more formal, there's a voice for that. The third option is pretty unique. You can turn any YouTube video into a doodle video. You just paste in the URL, and DoodleMaker transcribes the content and converts it into a fully customizable doodle video. This is a game changer if you're repurposing content or trying to reach a new audience in a fresh way. One feature that really impressed me was the vast asset library. It's one of the largest I've seen in a tool like this, giving you endless options to customize your videos. And if that's not enough, you can upload your own photos and convert them into doodle-style visuals. There's even an AI-powered background removal tool, so you can isolate elements from your photos and turn them into professional-looking animations. Now, let's talk about the AI translation engine. This tool makes it incredibly easy to convert your videos into multiple languages. Imagine being able to reach audiences around the globe with just a few clicks. You don't even need to know another language. The AI does all the work for you. And here's the kicker. DoodleMaker includes a commercial license, so you can sell the videos you create. Whether you're working with clients directly or offering services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, this could be a lucrative addition to your skill set. I've seen doodle videos go for $300 to $500 each, and considering how quickly you can produce them with this tool, the earning potential is massive. If you're like me and you're not exactly tech-savvy, don't worry. DoodleMaker is designed to be beginner-friendly, with a drag-and-drop editor that makes customization a breeze. You can preview your changes in real time, adjust layers and timelines, add effects, all without feeling overwhelmed. I also want to mention the rendering process. Once your project is ready, you can export it in full HD, and everything is handled in the cloud. No watermarks, no hidden fees, just clean, professional videos you can use anywhere. One of the unexpected bonuses was the built-in background music library. It's packed with tracks that you can add to your videos to give them that extra polish. And if you're like me and you're picky about how things sound, being able to preview your projects in real time really helps ensure everything comes together perfectly. To wrap this up, DoodleMaker feels like a tool that was designed with creators in mind. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or just someone looking to make fun, engaging videos, this platform offers an impressive range of features without being overwhelming. That's all for today's review. If you've tried DoodleMaker or if you have any questions about it, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.